Hello, and thank you for viewing this video from Heller Consulting. We help nonprofits select, implement, optimize, and grow their use of software to best support their missions and fundraising. The topic of this presentation is, how is Salesforce helping nonprofits? We're going to be looking at two aspects in this video. The first is mission management, and later we'll look at fundraising. So mission management can use a lot of different features within Salesforce, and fundamentally what it is helping you run the programs that serve your constituents and beneficiaries. It's really the heart of every organization's mission is its programs. Salesforce can really help you with this. You'll see here there are various features that Salesforce has, such as managing your constituents, working with partners, events and volunteers, providing metrics, automation and workflow, measurement reporting, and all of these contribute to the management of the missions. And I'd like to take a few minutes here to look at some of the missions as examples from some case studies. So here are four organizations we're going to take a look at. The first one, National Brain Tumor Society, uses Salesforce to manage their patient services. They receive calls from people who have received a diagnosis and who want information about that diagnosis. And within Salesforce, they can look up the best information to provide to a caller based on the particular questions. Then they can set up a workflow to make sure that that person is automatically delivered the information that they've asked for. They can provide referrals through a lookup system. And then what's really interesting for them as well is, while that's the core aspect of their mission, they also provide funding to research agencies, and they can manage those relationships and the research grant making process through Salesforce. Finally, for NBTS, they're additionally able to do their fundraising within Salesforce. And so for them, they really are using it fully as what's known as a CRM system, or Constituent Relationship Management System. But on the mission side, the system is serving them very well for patient services. For Pegasus Therapeutic Riding, they help the disabled and physically challenged to ride horses. And to do this, they have to coordinate horses, trainers, facilities, clients, and volunteers. And so they have all of those stored in Salesforce, and through that they can do matching across those entities to put together the best combination of horse and rider and facility and timing and client and volunteer to really make the program work smoothly. And before, they had been doing this on a series of FileMaker access databases, which was very, very labor intensive. Now everything's in a single system across their multiple facilities, and they can allow their end users and clientele to go online to register for particular times. Children's Hope Chest provides helps make possible relationships between North American sponsors and orphanages in Russia and Africa. And using Salesforce, they can now make available over the internet all the sponsorship opportunities that they can broker. And so if you have an interest in sponsoring either an orphanage or a child within an orphanage, you can go online, and their Salesforce system has published information about the individual children and about the orphanages, and right there you can set up a sponsorship relationship. And then once you've set up that relationship, the Salesforce can facilitate you maintaining that relationship. For example, maybe you want to send a letter via the Salesforce system to a particular child, and then that child wants to respond to you, and the Salesforce system can facilitate that. Finally, a fourth example, Usenix. They're an association of advanced computer users and technology specialists, and they are running their membership program through that, and also managing their annual conference. And their annual conference is quite complex, as it's a full-fledged learning opportunity with multiple educational tracks and a lot of logistics. And they're able to leverage Salesforce to manage that entire event, as well as their day-to-day membership activities. Then for fundraising, Salesforce offers a variety of flavors for supporting fundraising. There's the Salesforce product itself as it is available, sort of right out of the box. And then there's the Nonprofit Starter Pack. And the Nonprofit Starter Pack is a special version of